Hi, we're here at GSI and now going to describe ASTM D1505 density column and also D792 specific gravity for determining the density of polyolefin materials. There are two different test methods. The first of the methods is a density column. It's shown to me here in the back. And what we do is we take a mixture of alcohol and water, which is a prepared solution, and introduce it into this central column. The central column has a gradation associated with it, and what we do is we float reference balls of known density with inside that column. We subsequently will take pieces of geomembrane, throw them into the column, and where they reside in the column with respect to the balls, we can calculate the density. This is density column ASTM 1505. Typically what we do, however, is run a specific gravity test, and that specific gravity test is run off of a analytic balance which is here. This happens to be a Mettler balance, analytic balance, and it has the specific gravity kit associated with it. That kit is a hanger. We use alcohol, propanol in this case, which we know the density of the fluid, so it happens to be 0.78, so these materials will sink in alcohol. You set this up at a known temperature. You will control the temperature with a thermometer. It has to be 23 plus or minus 2 degrees C. You set that up with inside the analytic balance. And this is the hanger which is associated with it. You hang that off the top. This is close-up now of the analytic balance work. First item, what we need to do is do the verification that the balance is acting properly. It's a mass of 20 grams, and we're right on it as far as the verification of the piece of equipment. With the two specimens, the first item that you need to do is get the mass of the specimen dry, and you do that by placing it in the top carriage. You wait 5 seconds for the balance to equilibrate, and then subsequently take the reading in grams. The next item what you do is take the specimen off and then immerse it in the alcohol on the hanger. You try to centralize it, wait 5 seconds, and then subsequently record the mass. Using the equations that we show subsequently, you can calculate the density of this material, these olefin plastics, which are lighter than water. They would float. You'd have to use a sinker if you would use water. We prefer the alcohol method to it. This is ASTM D792, and it complements the density column ASTM D1505. You can use either one in GM13, and these are the methods for density of olefins, comparing them with the specifications. You run 2 samples for the specific gravity, and you typically drop 3 specimens for the density column. Thank you.